we made South Dakota, and you can't hunt until 10 o'clock down here for pheasant. So I left Oklahoma at 8 and got to Omaha to meet Kyle at 3, and he drove us away while I slept. So we're here at the lodge, and it's about 9, maybe 9:15, so we're gonna go after him here a little bit. It's my first out-of-state pheasant hunt, so I'm pretty excited. So I'll catch you guys out in the field. Brewster! Got him. I shot that one. I'm not aiming. I'm just getting too excited. Oh! Here's a rooster. Nice. There's one walking. Rooster, he's on. Side flag! Rooster! 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 There's one right here running. He's still. In! Rooster! Rooster! I did have one in the upper on that one, Kirk. I was on him too. Hand! What? That's insane. Yeah.
Get him all.
Oh no, and I didn't know what to do. Let him land on me, or oh yeah, here. Hi. Here. Good.
Hey, Rick, here. I got pretty wild for a little bit.
Yeah. Now, did you see that one about come land on me?
Yeah, what was the deal there? Must have got hit a little bit.
Lost. Rooster! Kyle, Rooster! 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 I'm gonna start videoing. They're everywhere up there. Hey! Hey! Rawr! Start barking. Oh my gosh, this one's 10 foot. This one right here.
Throw something, man. Grab it, your corn.
I could have freaking hit him with a snowball and killed him. This is where he was sitting right here. Oh, there they are in front of me running now. Oh my gosh. If a white one runs through, Colin, I can't resist.
See a white one nail it. There's dogs in front of me now.
They're running to that corner. Yeah, I know.
Get ready.
Oh, right in front of us. Oh, the dog missed it. He came to you, Colin. He came to you.
Bleeding, they don't pick them up because there's so much scent everywhere.
This one's running right here from the dog. Oh. Got him! Oh, go down!
Colin!
Victor!
Another one up here.
Okay. Huh. Rooster! Nice.
Lung shot, one BB. They may be flying.
Rooster!
Found yesterday.
He's dead.